Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my classes this week, we were discussing generations and different ages. We were talking about the degree to which you have friends or know people who are much older or much younger than you, what the best age to be is, what the best age to do certain things is, and so on. And one of my students, who's also a teacher, mentioned the fact that she's frequently the youngest person in her classroom, causing students of hers to look at her incredulously because they can't believe that someone so young looking could possibly be a teacher. I laughed because I can remember being this person myself. And I said, hey, enjoy it while you can. Because, 1 minute you're the youngest person in the classroom. And then, before you know it, you're suddenly the oldest. She looked at me and said, yeah, but that hasn't happened to me yet. To which I responded by saying, not yet, but it's in the post, trust me. If you say that something is in the post, you basically mean it's on its way, it's going to come to you, even though it hasn't come to you yet. So, for example, one of my students who had a very lovely full head of dark brown hair once said to me, I actually find grey hair quite attractive. To which I responded by saying, that's lucky because it's in the post. It'll be with you sooner than you think. Maybe, excuse me, you might be writing on social media to a troll or someone that you always argue with, and you might say to them, listen, the only reason I haven't blocked you yet is because I just haven't got round to it. But rest assured, it's in the post. I also heard it used more recently in a more academic context. A couple of teachers were talking about the Cambridge exams, and one teacher said, oh, I'm waiting for the day when the oral exams don't have to be done face to face. They can be done remotely using the internet. To which the other teacher replied by saying, I believe that's in the post. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use it's in the post.